Okay, so I went ahead and did it, and my husband and my son went and picked it up on Saturday. So we are going to proceed and show you what I got. Okay? So keep watching. Hi everybody. All right, as you can see, I got the 10 needle 1055X, and we have it set up on my table, and we'll get a close-up view of that in a minute. Okay, what I wanted to go over was everything that you get in that box. Okay, we got the box, everything done. My son helped my husband put it on the table. Obviously I wasn't going to do it because I probably would have dropped it. Okay, so in your box you're going to get a plastic bag that is going to have the manual in it. And now you have two manuals. You've got your Spanish, and then you also have your English, so whichever one you prefer, you have them both. I would suggest that when you get your manual, you get it spiral bound. Okay, it makes it really easy to keep that manual open while you're learning how to use your machine. Okay, you're also going to get snowman stickers. All right, you'll get 4 sheets of snowman stickers with that. You will get a quick reference guide on how to set up your machine, how to thread it. All right, you're also going to get an embroidery design guide. Now this has all of the designs that are on your machine. Okay, all of the fonts, all of the designs. There you have split lettering. All of that stuff is going to be in here. So then you have your color charts right here. Okay, and this is all on the machine. All right, so what I want to go over is everything that came with the machine. Okay, you are going to get 2 frames like this. This is the B frame, and it says it right on there. And then you're going to get a frame that has an A on it, and it'll be white. This one's gray, the other one's white. The white one we already have on the machine. This one is going to be used for frames that did not come with your machine in the box. And you'll be able to find that on page 67 of your manual. Okay, it'll tell you embroidery frames that use the frame holder B. Okay, so you want to check that out when you get your machine. That way you can get different size frames, and then you'll use the B one. Okay, so that's on 66 and 67, which frames go with which setting here. Okay, your frames, you're going to get 4 frames with your machine. You're going to get the 360 by 200, and what I like about these is that they have the sizes right on them in millimeters and inches. You can see that right there. Okay, so you've got, this is 14 by 7 7/8. You're going to get, this one is 7.1 by 5.1. Then you're going to get your 4 by 4. Okay, it's 3.9 by 3.9. And then you're also going to get 2.4 by 1.6. That's your embroidery area. All right, now I wish they had given us a frame that was the 7/8 by 7/8 in here. Okay, and the only reason is because with me doing bags, as you can see here, I'm going to have to get another frame. The design area, the height, I'm going to need more height in order to be able to put my bags on the machine. I won't have to take them apart if my design is smaller than that 5.1. Okay, but those are optional purchases that, you know, you can get from your brother dealer. All right, you're also going to get the grids that go with each of the frames. There's one for each of the frames. Just don't forget to take those off before you start embroidering. You will also get a scanning hoop, and it's got the different sizes on it along the top, and here is a needle plate cover for that, so that's pretty cool. All right, you will also get the, obviously, the electrical cord that comes with it, USB cord, so you'll be able to use this to put your laptop right next to the machine, plug it in to your laptop and the machine, and send your designs over. Okay, in here, excuse me, oh, it's dry. We've got, I made a copy of all the accessories, the accessory page of the accessories that are included. Okay, you're going to have your toolbox. All right, this comes with your machine. Now, you will get scissors. This is going to be the most important item. Okay, this is when you thread your needle. All right, and what I would suggest that you do is you could actually tie a little string around it and hang it from your machine. Okay, because you don't want to lose this. It's really hard to thread these needles without this. You're going to get the little screwdriver that you actually change your needles with. Okay, I think it's called, what's it called? Needle changing tool. Or Phillips screw, no, yeah, needle changing tool. Okay, you're going to get a Phillips screwdriver, a wrench. Now, these are brackets. I would put these in a plastic bag. These are brackets that came off of the machine. So put these in a little Ziploc baggie so you don't lose these in case you have to ship your machine or you're moving. This is going to hold the head so it's not swinging around there. You're going to get magnets that for your scanning board. Okay, your scanning frame right here, and the magnets will stick right on there just like that. You're going to get 2 packages of needles. You will get 10 nets for your spools. Okay, there's 10 of these here to put on your spool of threads if they're unwinding too fast. You will get 10 spool caps to put on your threads. All right, you also get 10 of the little foam holders. Okay, so these are the spool mats that you'll use to put under your thread, just like that. Okay, I haven't quite figured out what this tool is yet, but I'm assuming I will be able to figure out sooner or later. It says on here I don't know what it is. Needle changing tool, I think. I don't know. Have no clue what this is. Okay. You're going to get tiny little screwdriver. You're going to get a stylus pen for your touch screen, right like that. Okay. You're going to get a pair of tweezers. This is your flat screwdriver, okay, And this is a 3-way screwdriver that you will use to, I use them to turn the knobs that are on your machine. You'll get a little cleaning brush. You're going to get 2 of these. Okay, these are USB clamps. So if you've got your USB hooked up, you can put these in, and I think they may go into the side of the machine, but you'll use these so that you can put the cord on. You're going to get a weight. This is the L weight. And another needle plate. Okay. You will get a seam ripper. These are always nice to have. Okay. Don't lose that. All right. You are also going to get 6. Now I've already put one in the machine. These are the magnet type of bobbins. Okay. Filtech bobbins. Now, according to the manual, all right, it tells you to only use these, okay, which I found was, I don't know, they didn't give you bobbins to wind, okay, which would have been nice to have if you had some bobbins to wind, but they didn't give you any bobbins to wind. They gave you the pre-wound bobbins. So you'll have to order more, or if you were, you know, at least if you know this ahead of time and you like winding your own bobbins, then pick up the metal bobbins beforehand so that you're able to wind your own bobbins. Okay. I will probably stick with these. I love doing drop-in bobbins, so, and these are pretty easy to put in, and they're L size, so those are pretty easy. Last but not least, they give you an oil dropper. Now, this thing, I don't care much for it. I would rather have something like this because you have to be very precise where you oil the hook at. And this, we were unable to get a pin in it. In fact, we almost broke the pin because it bent so much. And then my husband went and cut off the top. Okay, so now it's too big. But it's regular sewing machine oil. So I just went ahead and I had one of these for another machine. It's got the top, and now I can be more precise when I oil the hook and then the felts that are on it. Okay, so now we will get close up to the machine. That is everything. Oops, forgot one thing. You also get this table that comes with it that hooks on the machine. Okay, so that is everything that is in the box. All right, now you're going to have optional things that you can purchase. Okay, what I would have liked to have seen them put in was, you know, a square frame, the metal bobbins, okay, so that if I decided, hey, I wanted to wind my own bobbins, they would be there. And to get rid of this, to give us something that was more precise and just wasn't so big and bulky, okay, because of the fact of where you have to put the oil and everything. And that's really it. That's everything that was in the box. Now, with the deal that we got, we did get the optional table, but unfortunately that did not arrive. But we also got the hat, the flat, what is this called? Flat brim cap frame set. Okay. And that has the instructions on how to use it. Okay. And then it's got everything in it. Okay. So you've got, there's 3 main pieces that come with it. Right now, I'm gonna learn the machine before I try and do any hats. And it comes with 2 hex screws and then this black flat piece. So I will wait on that until I learn more about the machine. But that's pretty much it. That's everything that was in the box when we took everything out. So I will move you a little bit closer to the machine, okay? Okay, so here it is, the Entrepreneur Pro X PR 1055X, and this is going to tell me the machine is going to move. I'm pretty much ready to start embroidering right now, all right? So you can see all the designs. They also have quilting designs on here. We hit return. You've got your fonts. These are your decorative fonts, and they have a lot. There are a lot of decorative fonts on here, which is really nice. And your Greek lettering. You've got plenty of designs. I like that little kitty. Halloween designs. Okay. There are some quilt block designs. So it's actually really cool, and I can't wait to get started with it, and I'll be showing you stuff on it as I go along, which will be really nice. So that's it for today's video, okay? I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you've gotten everything out of it as far as what came in that great big huge box. All right, so if you could please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and the more likes I get, the more YouTube will share it. And share this video with someone who is thinking about getting this machine, and that way they'll know, okay, what all is in that box, that great big huge box, besides the machine. Okay, well, that's it for today. All you embroiderers, sewers, and quilters out there, I hope you have a great day stitching.